Hey there, this is Sue from Space Grid. So what I'd like to do is give you a little bit of a taste of our software. So what I'm going to take you through is the Grand Bahama Shipyard using our platform. So first know that we have this on Google Earth, and if you've got any drone footage or LiDAR data or bathymetry data that has latitude, longitude, and elevation, we would substitute out this information and put that information in for you. And then we would clean up the data, so anything that doesn't need to be there would be removed. And what we do is how you would use the software is you set a timeline. And for now, we'll use May 12th today as the start date, and the end date would be the 29th. So let's just say that on the 15th, we are going to have a vessel arrive. Let's go with a bulk carrier. It's nice and big. And we'll say that this is going to go into the dry dock here. And so it's arriving on the 15th. And let's just say it stays there until the 22nd. Then it gets moved here. And, then it's here for, a few days, and it departs on the 26th. So we set that departure as 05262026 and departs. So here you can see that this vessel has three things that are occurring, which is the same for anything that we add to the space, we put in the space. It can arrive, it can move, and then it can depart. That goes for vessels, containers, dumpsters, cranes, ship lifts, you name it, however you'd like to set it up for your particular scenario. The other thing that we have, or the other tool that we have that is really helpful, is this measurement tool. Dock masters really love this because it can allow them to measure dynamically and avoid having to go out and measure it manually themselves. So hopefully this has given you a little bit of a taste of what we can do. There's a lot more to discuss, but you've got the basics. If you're game for a conversation, give me a call. Thank you.